Welcome back. I am so overdue that I got a message from FabFitFun that my spring box is coming. So I figured I better hurry and get this winter box unboxed because I just haven't gotten to it. This was my FabFitFun winter box. And let's see what we got. If you're thinking about getting a FabFitFun box, go to my description below and click on the link and you can get one too. FabFitFun magazine. I got Curl Refresh, a leave-in spray. I actually got this for my son. He has the cutest curly hair. I'll see if I can find a picture to post for you, but I got it for him to try, and it's by FabFitFun. And it has shea butter in it. I hope he likes it. See, what is this? I literally don't have any idea what this is. Oh, it's a pill box. This will come in handy. I'm going on vacation. I'll be able to put all my vitamins and medicines in this and put it in my luggage. I love it. It's cute. Oh, I have my cleanse and exfoliate wipes for my face. They're charcoal. I like it, so I have this on a repeat delivery. And what do I have here? MRSA fabric shaver. This is going to be great. This little shaver, I have some sweaters that have like pilliness on them, and this little shaver should take all that away. The struggle is real. The little shaver has a USB charger. It looks like this. See? So I'll be able to, I'll get all the little balls and stuff off my sweaters and stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. That's very cool. And we have, some Invisibobble hair ties. My hairstylist is on maternity leave, so my hair is going to get long again. So I'm going to need these little baubles. Wow. Nearly impossible to get them out. They look like this, and though I can take my hair, put it up in it. It's an alternative to a scrunchie. I don't know. How's that look? Does that look like a complete goofball? I can use those for my ponytail as my hair grows out, or just as little scrunches for when I put my hair off to the side, because as the summer comes, I don't like having this hair in my face. So, what is this? Social studies. No idea. I think I ordered this box in, I want to say November or December. Ooh, awesome. It's a little bowl set, which is great because a lot of times I cook and I'll have a condiment or another thing on the side, and I need these smaller bowls for that. So these are awesome for, you know, somebody wants dipping sauce like ranch or teriyaki, or if you're mixing a small thing, or for even doing videos and holding your contents. It's a cool color. Just thought it was fun, a little pop of green. All right, what's this? A dream booster. This is the Beckman 1802 age-defying serum. Yeah, I'm fighting the age. So a little age-defying serum will help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I need that right here and up here. I'm gonna try it. And then Chip and Tonic snowflake mug. I don't remember ordering this, so maybe it was one of the random things they give you. Snowflake mug. All right. It's really pretty, actually. It's blue and has snowflakes. And I routinely break coffee mugs, so it's going to be a nice addition to the house. And then what is this? Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. Wow, a set of ceramic mugs. I don't remember ordering this. Oh, I do remember them. They're pretty. Has a little gold on them. And there's 2 of them. I do like them. And I do remember picking this now. To elevate my coffee game. All right. And there's one more thing in this box. Not sure why I got 2 boxes. I must have ordered something. I must have ordered something a little bigger or something. So this, I think it's short, looks like short stories, but I'm not sure. I think that's what it says. And again, it's hard to open. Oh, it's a battery operated food scale. Funny thing, my son and I were just talking about buying a food scale. Well, now we have one. He's going to be excited about that. When we do baking, we can have an accurate measurement of what we're cooking. So that's cool. All right.
It's just amazing how quickly boxes pile up in my house and I forget what's in them. This is crazy. Wow.
So now let's get to the second box that I got for this subscription. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's an advent calendar. I totally forgot. This one's going to be a separate video. So please like and subscribe and watch the next video so you can check out the advent calendar. The advent calendar.
I accidentally forgot to hit record while doing the advent calendar, so unfortunately, I'll have to do it again next year.